I mentioned this idea of categorizing and kind of defining things. I think it's almost ingrained in our DNA to have this sense of, I know you, I know about you, I know where you come from, and so on. And we have this in our cultures. This is part of our Gaelic culture. It's not uncommon to hear people say things like, who are your people, or the old tired and true one, who's your father? Rumi wants us to go deeper. Aji, agus ahari, ahula shian. Admit it and change everything. Sauri agus Jean me coin agus lucky to gorst or stiate. Taringi me shias in the books at the Gachman Fura, she in Kishta Wai, a hacket, ham to books a hashing. Can you listen, call me? Ami en makodam bereshlich eiret higher. Can you crease the honum? Can you a honum? Can you Zoroastrian a honum? Fuse, can you Muslim a honum? Havun mi ganyaren? No, the word anichtje. No anichtje. Hanaum ne nata da hami. No hanurin yisha. No the wahanas. Fuse hanurin gan the hinshahan. Gan chiana, gan a vulager, a haknu. She acha gun acha mabari. She makamar a gunna be a torst. She gonna be gahorst. Apritu gefeichu mabel, mabel, mahuasan, mahumlan, mahraun. Chanau nu mahad. Smisha, Beha, and Behanan. Smisha and Cat Shaw, a Hoch Shaw, Smisha and Dunya nach a lounge. Hillik me brie and da Hutchek fall of Cottary Shown Wutchek. Happy Fakins, happy Elwich, Gahounds, Gassel. Man, Durnan, and Turn. And da. Jay Hakem, be rare roots. A be dinnig, a be torst, atjachuk, kocha brui. Adji, agus ahari, a hullerut. She shot the goo hain. And a machtawa, far bawach and jay. Admit it and change everything. Define and narrow me. You starve yourself of yourself. Nail me down in a box of cold words box. That box is your coffin. I do not know who I am. I am an astounded, lucid confusion. I am not a Christian. I am not a Jew. I am not a Zoroastrian. I am not even a Muslim. I do not belong to the land, or to any known or unknown sea. Nature cannot own or claim me, nor can heaven. Nor can India, China, Bulgaria. My birthplace is placelessness. My sign to have and to give no sign. You say you see my mouth, ears, eyes, nose. These are not mine. I am the life of life. I am that cat, this stone, no one. I have thrown duality away like an old dish rag. I see and know all times and worlds as one, always one. So what do I have to do to get you to admit who is speaking? Admit it and change everything. These are your own words echoing off the walls of God.